Nowadays you can create beautiful illustrations in seconds with MidJourney, Leonardo AI, and other free alternatives.
Relax. AI are not gonna take over the world.
But did you know that there are some really easy ways to animate your AI-generated images? You can make them talk.
Did that sound convincing enough?
Animate certain elements, or add cool effects to an existing image. And all of this can be done for free. In this video we're going to take a look at 7 of the best AI tools to convert our images to video animations. I'll be showing you how to animate something like this, instead of this. You can also use these tools to animate photos, but I'm gonna be using my Leonardo AI images.
I hope you'll be able to create some cool animations after this tutorial.
Let's get started. LeiaPix AI is a completely free image-to-video generator that'll give your images some real depth. Here's what you need to do to start using it. Step 1. Register for an account using your email address. The link is in this video description. Then once you're in, click the upload button to upload your photo or image. Step 2. After your image has been uploaded, you'll want to adjust these animation parameters. There are sliders to change how long the animation cycle is and the way it animates. What the best settings are all depend on your own image. For instance, I think this one looks best in the tall circle animation style, and an animation length of about 3 seconds. Make your animation shorter if you want it to look more dynamic, and longer if you want some subtle depth. If you want to tamper with the advanced editor menu, you can do that too. Step 4. To set a custom depth map, use the Depth Map menu option. The depth map is a cheat sheet to know what's in front of what and how far in front it is. By default, LeiaPix AI has already drawn a depth map for you, but you can use this brush to paint the area of focus to make your subject pop more. Step 3. Once you're happy with everything, click the Share button to open the Share and Download menu. Download it as MP4 to keep your file's resolution. Here are some video results from LeiaPix AI. This is a great free option for some quick animation. It can't handle anything too demanding, but it's great for what it does. HeyGen is a freemium AI tool. You get 1 minute free when you sign up. What it does is it makes talking AI avatars, from realistic AI to anime and cartoon characters. Step 1. Sign up using your email address. Step 2. Click Upload Talking Photo to upload your image. Step 3. Choose Create Video and select your dimension. Step 4. Type your script and choose an AI voice from HeyGen's voice library. You can also change the speed and pitch. If you want to change the video background, right-click and choose a color. Step 5. Click Submit when you're done. Once it's done generating, download the final result to your device. It's a pretty cool tool, but you can only generate 2 videos for free, since each video consumes 0.5 credit. You can refer a friend and get up to 10 free credits a month when someone successfully signs up and makes their first video though. Here are the results.
Relax. AI are not gonna take over the world. Not just yet. Did that sound convincing enough? Relax. AI are not gonna take over the world. Not just yet. Did that sound convincing enough?
This is one of my favorite tools on the list. It's completely free and easy to use, and you can control your animation outputs unlike some other paid tools. The link to the Discord server is in the description along with all the other tools. Step 1. Join the Discord server through the invite. Then go to one of these generate channels to start generating your animation. Step 2. Use the create command, then click the +1 to upload your image. Step 3. Type what type of movement you want in your scene. This could be anything you want depending on your image. For this image, my input is as follows. Step 4. After you're done with the command prompt, hit enter to generate. Since it's a free tool, your command will be put in a queue, and you'll have to wait a few minutes for your video to be generated. But the results are well worth waiting for. Take a look. Step 5. Click on the little arrow to download your animation video to your device. Pika also does text to video where you just describe what you want without a reference image, and it will create anything. If you want more tips and examples, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Kaiber AI is a paid tool, but you do get a 7-day free trial and 30 free credits as a new user. Step 1. Register using your email account. Step 2. Once you're in, upload your photo or image, and click the Continue to Prompt button. Step 3. Describe your subject by typing in the prompt section, or just click the magic wand and it'll automatically detect your subject. You can also describe the style of your desired video animation, but in this video I'll just use one of their default styles. Step 4. Click on Video Settings to choose your duration, camera movement, and add an audio track if you want. If you want the result to be close to the original image, set this value to the lowest option. I want to see how wild it can get, so I'll leave it be. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating your AI video animation. Wait for the process to complete. Next up is DID, which is another talking avatar generator. I'll be using the same female avatar as HeyGen for comparison. Step 1. Upload an image of a face. Step 2. Upload your own audio, which could be your voice or an AI voice you trained using a tool like 11 Labs. Step 3. Click on Generate Video, confirm and wait for your AI animation to be processed. You can download it once it's done. This tool is pretty amazing once it's set up correctly, and I'll have another tutorial on how to create viral talking avatars soon. Here are the videos made with DID and 11 Labs.
Yes, AI are not going to take over the world. If you repeat something enough, it becomes the truth. Yes, AI are not going to take over the world. If you repeat something enough, it becomes the truth.
Relax. AI are not going to take over the world. Not just yet. Did that sound convincing enough?
Number 6 is a freemium tool, but you do get a ton of credits to decide if you think it's worth the money. Step 1. Sign up for an account. Once you have access, select Image to Video in the top right corner. Step 2. Type a prompt if you want, but if you do, it'll just use your image sort of as a style reference but doesn't really come back looking much like it at all. So just upload your image and leave the prompt blank and just see what it comes back with. Step 3. Click Generate and wait for the process to complete. You don't really have much control over the final result, but I've had some pretty amazing and immersive animations generated with it. There are 2 ways for you to try generating images to video animations. Sign up for an account and choose GenMo v1. Then upload your image and write a descriptive prompt in the caption. I'll leave it as it is for this one. Adjust the sliders to customize your animation. Here's the most important setting. Use the paintbrush to paint over the areas or objects you want animated. Don't let it animate the whole frame if your subject is anything that resembles a human. This won't take long if you have a drawing tablet, but it's fine if you don't. Just don't skip it or you'll go from dream girl to hell girl in one click. This AI is really cool for landscapes though. As for the new GenMo chat feature, upload your image and GenMo will be able to tell what's in your image. Choose animation in the bottom right corner of the chat. And you can describe the region where you want the image to be animated. Then after that, type a prompt like what you would do with Pika. Wait for it to run. I've also edited this same artwork with the old GenMo v1 for comparison. Here are the results side by side. GenMo v2 falls short in this example, but their AI chat tool is still a more intuitive option.
There you have it, 7 best AI tools to bring your images to life. I hope you'll be able to create some cool animations after this tutorial. Don't forget to check the description for all the tools mentioned, and leave a comment and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.